Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this episode of Logging Aid, I will be showing you a simple process for how you can read Instagram messages without being seen. Now first open the Instagram application. Now once you're at the Instagram, you need to go to the person profile whose direct messages you want to read without making them as seen. So tap and search person's name. You tap upon their profile and there you tap on the three dotted lines on the top right. Now there from the available option you need to tap on restrict. Now you tap on dismiss. Now you tap on message. Now you will be able to see all the messages that has been sent to you by this profile and they won't be notified that you have seen their messages. So this is the only easy process for how you can read Instagram messages without letting them know that you have already seen it. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification and updates. Thank you.